Hey guys, this is Jason from Jason and Joni Builds. We're gonna have a little fun today rather than work on the Bronco. So I'm out here at my dad's. My brother is actually here shooting with the camera. So just want to do something different and actually helping him clean up after the recent hurricanes we've had. Dad's got a new toy. I've never shot it. My brother hasn't. So I'll let him tell you about it. This is my dad. And, this is what he does so well, and I don't have the knowledge, so I'd rather him tell you guys what he's got because it's pretty sweet.
Okay, what we got here is the Ruger precision rifle. It's pretty hefty. Right now it's in the folded position. It's in a 300 Win Mag cartridge, and also mounted on it is a Shepherd scope. This is a one-shot zero scope. It has a line of rings inside. Once you've zeroed it at 100 yards, you can look inside and set your scope on the different rings. Each ring represents 18 inches. So that's usually the chest of a deer. So you can also range find with this scope by just placing the ring until you get the chest in there. Once you have the ring is full of chest, then you look at the number beside that, and that tells you how far your target is. Okay, so what we're going to do is, I've already sighted this in at 100, and then I did one shot at 200 just to see that it was working the way it's supposed to, and it does. So what we're going to do is we're going to just open it on up, and it locks in place here. It is presently on fire. There's no clip in it, so it doesn't make any difference. 5-shot clip, and again, it's in the 300 Win Mag. This is a nice heavy rifle, and bolt action. In fact, it's the new. I haven't got the bipod yet. Right. So we'll be shooting off of a piece of styrofoam and one bag. So
Go check out his shooting rig.
Okay.
My dad designed this. This is just his farm truck, and
that's my terrorist vehicle.
Right. He sits on the little stool there, and he can prop his gun up, and then that way he can set up his range. He's got 100, 200, and his buddy has got up to, was it 900? 800 yards. But that's just so he can sit comfortably and shoot, and it's actually pretty ingenious.
The seat is adjustable, different leg lengths, and different heights. The seat goes up and down or forward and aft.
Well, that's pretty cool. All right, this is somebody that's really got a setup. So what do you do when you're in the heat of the sun? He's even got it rigged up with an umbrella. This is my baby brother, 6'5" baby brother, right? So, I know guys, this is different. It's also interesting. All right, what we're shooting is Hornady match rounds. So if you're gonna target shoot, you need to shoot with good rounds, right?
Yep.
And that is where we're shooting to. That is 200 yards from where we're sitting. Again, Dad doesn't have a bipod yet, so he's just using this big block of styrofoam.
Okay, it's on safe.
All right.
Now all I'm going to do is just take one shot downrange, and I've got my focus set. I've got this one set to infinity. It's a pretty good distance. And I know this thing shoots well because my next door neighbor let me shoot his, and we were shooting 400 and 800 yards with it.
All right.
So now I'm getting ready to let this dude fly.
All right.
Okay, the range is clear. You're clear downrange. And It does have a tension trigger on it.
Wow. Great day.
It looks high.
All right, let's go check it.
That's what that's for, to go check it.
All right.
I'll go check it real quick.
This is our range vehicle. All right, here's the first shot. 200 yards. Kind of in the center right quadrant there. So, all right, let's go take a couple more. All right, so Dad also has these hanging steel targets, and we may try one or two of those and just see what happens. This is his berm. It's safe. They don't have anybody behind them. There's a huge pond. The neighbor actually built this for Dad, so they have this strategically placed so it doesn't put anybody in danger. All right, well, I got my brother. He's up here trying to get his long cell comfortable. Okay, I think Jamie's about ready. He's got it set up. Are you going for the target or are you going for the ring?
I'll do the target first.
Okay.
Just to see where it hits.
Wow. All right, we'll go check the target. That was Jamie's, just an inch above Dad there. So that's two shots from the same scope, same rifle, and all you did was fine tune for your sight, right?
Yeah.
So
It like I said, I didn't have a bipod when I did the 100 on it.
Right.
And so once I get the 100 on it, once you take another shot, I'd say shoot one of the plates next.
I think if I shot one of the plates, I would still aim for the
Well,
lower.
if you want to see how this works, go ahead and adjust it to your shot.
No, I don't want to adjust it. I would rather have a second shot on paper.
To see what it looks like.
Yeah, to see where I hit.
let's do it. I'll let y'all go first because mine will be the blooper reels because I don't shoot often. So.
Well, you'll shoot the next two. He can shoot this one to check his
Right.
to see if it was breathing or a trigger tug.
Yeah, you can get some more ammo.
All right. Round two. All right, brother.
All right.
Man, that doesn't get old.
Okay.
All right, so here is shot 3, and you can see Jamie said he was aiming at the sort of the same spot, and we dropped a little. Now let me go embarrass myself with all you guys and pull the trigger a few times.
I pulled.
All right, guys, so this is my first shot. Yeah, it's a little embarrassing, but again, this isn't something I do often. I'd love to do it more, but I'm wrenching, and when I do come see my dad, this is something we can do. But as you can see, I'm a little to the right, so not shooting for a while. I'm gonna go try again, see if I can get it into the target. So. Okay guys, so my second shot was much better. So as you can see here, we had Jamie, and then this is my second shot. So I kind of redeemed myself a little bit, but I know I'm not holding the rifle like I'm supposed to. I've got a lot to learn yet. I said I've shot a lot in my life. I just don't shoot often. We're gonna try to change that because this has been enjoyable. I appreciate it, Ed.
You're welcome as can be.
So we've shot five shots, and that's all 5 of them right there, guys. I feel better now. I can hold my head up high. That's right. So what are we shooting, Jamie?
We're gonna be shooting the 6-inch steel plates down there.
All right.
Hopefully. And
let's see where. Let's see. There they are. Okay. Sorry, it's a little shaky. We're changing up the our ammo because Dad brought us out Winchester instead of the Hornady. Ready? Got it. Awesome. You going for a left or right?
Left.
First time.
Got it.
Yep. I knew that.
You got it.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna give it a shot, and I'm gonna shoot the right target. But the way we're sitting, we're right up next to some trees. More than likely, I'm gonna hit the trees. All right. We're aiming
8
left
o'clock, right to the
and
very
low.
edge of the plate.
Got it.
All right, and here's the right target I was shooting at, and got her. That is sweet. So, anyways, this has been a fun time. All right, I hope you guys had a little bit of fun with us today. I had a ball, and I wish I could shoot more. Like I said, Dad's a couple hours away, so we'll have to make it a point to do this more often and take more of our, bring out some more weapons, because we have a few, so we'll have some fun. But we'll be back on the Bronco next week, and look forward to seeing you guys. And don't tell me how bad I was doing. I understand I'm no professional, so we'll see you guys soon. Take care.